Check out how super chill Mr. Cooch is. This dude feels so safe. Mr. Cooch. Colonel Cooch. Well, dude is asleep, man. He's conked out. He's not even looking. Oh, there he goes. Hey, Mr. Cooch. We're talking to you, buddy. He's out. He's out, bro. I'm gonna let him sleep.
Like a sickness in my head, she invades my mind. I'm back for driving me insane, getting off on the danger and pain. Had an obsession with dancing in the flame, like she wants to be burned all over again. Had a knack for running away, she's setting off on the very next train. Fell in love, dancing in the rain. Now she wants to.
It's been forever since I showed the progress on the cabin. Well, since the last time I brought this in here to show, we've finished the sheetrock, finished the mudding, finished the texture, and now we are on interior painting. We've even done some of the trim, as you can see. So the ground floor here is pretty much painted, and the bathroom is painted, textured and painted. It's starting to look really good. I really like this texture. It's turning out so cool. And the shower surround will come down past the point that it's painted down to. So there was no point wasting paint down below that, but everything is painted in this bathroom. Now I'm still painting this big room, but you can see it's starting to look pretty good, but I gotta finish painting the ceiling and then up in these high corners. I haven't done any painting up top yet, but you can really see how it's shaping up. It's starting to look really nice. This cabin is looking pretty good. You see this nice view of the land straight from the front door. Layer of underlayment, which is a moisture barrier for the floor. The tiles are going to go on top of this underlayment that we're rolling onto the floor. As you can see, I did the rest of the flip covers, switch covers. Okay, putting the tile in on the floor. And of course, all these little gaps around the edge will be covered by the baseboards. And the floor's going in. Looking good. Alright, me and Leela are sheltering in the cabin here because there's a tornado warning for the next hour or so. And it's not particularly bad here at the moment, but the tornado is confirmed and moving through the area, but I think it's gonna miss us. But it sure is nice to have an actual structure here that feels safe compared to the trailer over there. Here we can look at it through here. The trailer over there. The thing is, the trailer's probably heavier than this structure, and neither structure is attached to the ground. They're both just sitting here. But I could tell immediately when I got in here that this was the right choice, because that trailer, I mean, it's like thin walls. You can hear every raindrop on that roof, and I mean, the rain is just loud out there. But in this nice insulated structure, very quiet. Very nice. This is good news for the future because it means I'll be able to record in this room even when it's raining. And you can hear it a little, but it's not that bad. So. Anyway, me and the dog are doing what we got to stay safe here. Alright, the hardest part of the tile is done. I got all the way around the toilet. So, and then I'm gonna put a caulk around it to hide the little rough edge. But the bathroom floor will be done today. The rest of this is gonna be easy. It's all nice square cuts. The floor in the bathroom is in. All the flooring in the cabin is done. Just have to put down baseboards and some port around here and there. And we're basically done.
Is anybody home?
Yeah, still out of breath from finishing this. The whole thing's leveled and flat and beautiful. And I love how it comes right up under the threshold like this, so that inside space feels less confined. You walk right outside onto this nice large deck. I love it. I put a spacer board and then a ledger board along the edge. I put a post every 4 feet and a cross beam every 2 feet. So this thing is solid as a rock and it's going to last a while. So this is the state of the deck currently. It's come a long way, but it's nowhere near finished. There's a lot of work still to be done. I also built these steps. After building the deck, I built these steps onto the edge. That added a lot. That was a big difference. So the cabin's looking pretty good, but we are going to actually build the cabin out to 3 times its current size. So this is not the final state. Oh, here's the tarp that I hung. I just wanted that to be like a porch in the meantime until we finish. But that's the video. That's the cabin build so far. Thanks for watching.